Hey, how's it going guys, Development here, and today we're back with another video. In today's video we'll be making the second part for the report system. So in part 1 we had created the main report commands. There was an error. I realised that I wasn't showing how to fix the error, but if you go into the comment section of part 1 it will say how you fix it. It was a little error where I made the database equal a new database. It's just meant to be a new database. If you look in the comments, there's a step-by-step in part 1. Anyway, part 2, in here we need to go to events and create one called reporting. In here we want report interaction.js. Alright, so we need to open up a new terminal, and in here we need to do npm I chalk at 4.1.2. If we go any higher, any lower, it won't work. Right, there we go. So now we have chalk installed. We can go const chalk equals require chalk. Const, then open this up, equals require discord.js. Alright, in here we need client, we need command interaction, text input style, interaction type, embed builder. Okay, and then const equals require at discord.js/builders. We need model builder. I believe all of these actually will be within discord.js. Yeah, it is. Model builder, action row builder, text input builder. Sweet, they're all within discord.js. Amazing, what we needed. Okay, right. Then we want to do obviously our usual module.exports. Alright, in here we need the name to be interaction create, async execute, interaction, and client. Alright, someone in the comment section said, hey, able to go in more depth with everything you're doing, as they're a new developer and they would like to know more on exactly what we're doing. So I will go over what all of this is doing right now. So this is obviously getting, we've set a variable chalk to get the information from the package we install called chalk. All of these here are the things we need to be able to create the function within the bot, which obviously is discord.js. And then in here we're exporting everything inside of here. So for instance, the second the interaction create happens for report interaction, this instantly flags because it's an interaction create. This parameter makes sure that it's a command interaction and it's the actual client. Alright, so that's all it is. So we need to do if interaction.is user context menu command. We need to open it up. If interaction.command name equals report, const model equals new model builder, dot set custom ID, this will be report user model. Right, we're also missing two things up here. Me being me, I forgot it. Const default mongoose equals require mongoose, and const report schema equals require dash database report database. Alright, sweet, simple. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Wonderful. So we need to do dot set title. This can be report, that is not how you spell it, report a user, let's say. Set components, new action row builder, dot set components dot set custom ID report message. Oh my god. Report message. Oh my god. There we go. This is meant to be new text input builder, by the way. Okay, we need to dot set label report message, because this is where the message will be put in. Set style will be text input style dot paragraph dot set required true, and then we want set min length as, I don't know, 10 dot set max length, this would be 500. Alright, so what this is doing is when you right click on the user, you press apps and you hit report as shown in part 1. This will now pop up. Alright, it opens a little menu. It will tell you to enter the report message. You have to enter at least 10 characters and you can enter no more than 500 characters. That's all this is doing. Alright, so after that we now need to away interaction dot show model const model submit int equals away interaction dot away model submit filter I. Oh my god, that's meant to be an arrow function. Return true. Alright, and then we want time 20,000. Alright, we now need to do const report channel ID equals away report schema dot find one guild ID interaction dot guild ID. Alright, we want to do if not report channel ID return. Alright, so basically what this is doing, we are seeing if there is a guild ID within the database. If there's not, it will just return nothing will happen. Alright, and obviously we want client dot channel dot cache dot get report channel ID dot channel ID, and then dot send embed new embed builder, that's embed builder. Alright, and we want to enter set title new report received dot set fields. Alright, we want the first one to be, my spelling is terrible, user reported. Alright, the value will be interaction.target member. Alright, inline. This doesn't have to be true. I just put it as true just because it looks nicer in my eyes. And then we want name reported by value interaction.member.user.username inline true. Okay. And then we also want name, report reason. The value will be we need that there. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Alright, and this will be. Ooh, hold on. model submit int dot field get text input value report message. And I'm so down. The lipstick says a work of art. Alright, and that's it. Well, I wouldn't say that's it, but we're basically there. Right, now we're getting there. We want to dot catch console.error. Okay. Actually, no, we don't want to straight console it. Catch error, and then we want to open it up, and we just want to do interaction dot follow up. Actually, there won't be an error. Never mind, ignore me. This will be console dot error. Alright, and then after that, we want to do interaction dot follow up. Content report has been successfully sent. Ephemeral true. Alright, that should be it in a nutshell. So let's put it on, see if there's any errors, see if it picks up anything. Oh, FAD connect to the data economy. FAD connect to the database. I know. Whoa, shit! I gotta reset my token. Where is it? Database. EcoDB. Alright, it's here. That's why. The URL is incorrect because I had changed my database. I now use the paid version. It's much easier. Okay, right. There shouldn't be any errors this time. Moment of truth. There isn't. Right. I will see you in testing. Alright, so we are back. The bot's online. So if I remember correctly, it's /report channel. I believe we've already set this up. But if I do testing, alright, there seems to be an error. Nothing's came. Oh yeah, it has came up in logs. Jesus Christ. Unknown interaction. Alright, so as you can see, there's an unknown interaction. Not sure why this is happening, but it's something to do with the actual command. Where is it? Report channel. Did it say where? It just says unknown interaction. Sweet. Okay. What is it? Unknown interaction. Where's the unknown interaction though? This is what I hate. It doesn't tell you where it is. It's just, oh, it's so irritating. Interaction to reply embed success embed ephemeral true. What? Right. None of that. It needs to be mentioned. Okay. Let's open this and see what's going on, shall we? Method not allowed is what it's saying. Okay. So, what method isn't allowed? Right, I'm not sure why this is happening. It should be working now, though. I believe. Just wait for it to come online. Any day now. That took a while to connect to the database. Alright, so if I right click on Robert and I apps report, ooh, modal is not defined. Where is model not defined? Let's have a look. report interaction. Where is it saying this? Modal is not found. Modal. Okay. Ah, modal. Here it is. Constant model. Is it because all of this isn't tabbed in, that extra bit it wants to be tabbed in? Is that why? Is it seriously going to cry over that? And I'm so dead. Right. This is where we go through and realise we've just done something stupid. Alright. So. If I use the example I made earlier, right, if I copy this in, is it something I've done, or is it something that's just happening? So if it's something I've done, I've got to find it, and obviously I've got to show you. Module not found. It'll be up here. Report. Database / report database. Right, it'll find it this time. Right, I've got a feeling it is something from my end of the issue, not, because it was working fine earlier. So I think it's just something, I don't know. It's a little issue that's happened. If I right click apps report, it's just sending. Aha, right, this is what meant to pop up. So it's something on my end which we'll have to fix. But report message, I don't know, test, because test is cool. Submit. Okay. And it's been logged. New report received, because obviously I set this to the logging channel. Alright, test because test is cool. So this is where errors occur. Right, let's undo this. So, if we look at as, our MODAL is there, right, but as isn't showing that it's being used. So, why is it deciding to say no, it's not going to work? MODAL. MODAL. What if I do S at the end? Models. What if I just set it to something? All of this has been put outside of the if statement. So it all needed to be inside this if statement. That's where it went wrong. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, it'll be working for you guys now. It's just because I didn't put it in the if statement. So if I redo this now, it should have my custom thing. So if we try again, right click, apps, report. There we go. And obviously we can just do test and there we go. Ooh. Something went wrong. Try again. What went wrong? It would seem as if... Right click, apps, report. This is just a test. Submit. There we go. This is just a test. Report has been successfully sent. Right, that was just Discord models being Discord models. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, turn notifications on. And I'll see you all very, very soon. Have a safe one.